Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to safely remove your Tesla hitch cover. It's a straightforward process, but using the right tools is key to avoiding any damage. We'll focus on using plastic trim tools or specialized removal tools, as these are designed to protect your vehicle's finish. Metal objects like a flathead screwdriver can easily scratch the delicate plastic, so it's best to keep those away from your beautiful Tesla. Your Tesla's hitch cover is held in place by a series of clips, typically around 10 to 15 of them, distributed along its edges. You'll want to locate a small notch or a slightly looser area, often found at the top center of the cover, to begin. Some Tesla models also incorporate two plastic retainers for extra security. Knowing where these fasteners are will help you apply gentle, consistent pressure as you work around the cover. To begin the removal, insert your plastic trim tool into that initial notch you found, applying gentle but firm pressure. You should feel the first few clips disengage with a soft pop. Continue to carefully work your way around the entire perimeter of the cover, prying gently to release each clip. Remember, patience is important here. Avoid excessive force. Once all the clips are free, the cover will easily detach from your Tesla. Reinstalling your hitch cover is just as simple. First, align the cover with the opening on your Tesla's rear fascia. Then, apply firm, even pressure around the edges until you hear and feel all the clips snap back into place. It's crucial to ensure the cover sits flush with the bumper to prevent it from coming loose while driving. Always store your hitch cover in a secure spot when it's not on your vehicle, keeping it safe for future use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.